Okay, we're going to look at this one, factorising. Here we've got a prime number, so it makes it a little bit easier to do this by inspection. And also this is, it's a negative, but it's also prime as well, so there must be 1 and 2 here. So I need to get a positive 3. Well, if I put a positive 2 here, then I've already got 4a. So if I put a minus 1 here, I've got 4a take 1a is 3a. And I've also got negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So I've managed to get there quite quickly by inspection. Second one is a difference of 2 squares. So if we square root this whole thing, you're going to get 2a. So 2a plus the square root of this number is 3, and then 2a minus 3. Press pause and try the next one. The next one is significantly more difficult. Okay, on this one, we could try by inspection, but because this isn't prime, well, it could be 2a and 3a in the brackets, or it could be 6a and 1a. So I'm going to show you a split in the middle technique. So if we look at these two numbers, we're going to produce a guide number. Multiplying them together gives negative 60. So then we're going to think about, well, what are the factors of 60 really? That when we add the two numbers together, we can get negative 11. Well, 4 and 15, if you have 4 take 15, if you multiply 4 and negative 15, you get negative 60, but 4 take 15 is this minus 11. So we call this split in the middle. So we're going to rewrite this. Instead of minus 11a, we're going to write minus 4a, sorry, plus 4a, minus 15a. And then we've still got the minus 10 on the end. So we're now just going to do a linear factorisation of this bit. So 6 and 4, well, 2 goes into both, so does an a. And that would then give me 3a plus 2. Now you can look into the details of this elsewhere, but that 3a plus 2 is going to be repeated again when we do a linear factorisation of this end. So what do we times 3a by to get minus 15a? Well, it's minus 5. And then you can see you've got minus 10 as well. The cool bit now is if you take this bit and this bit, then go into a bracket, 2a minus 5, and we've still got the 3a plus 2, and we've managed to factorise. A lot more simple. This is obviously a difference of 2 squares. Square root of 64 is 8, square root of a squared is a, square root of 25 is 5, so we've got 8a plus 5 and 8a minus 5. Press pause and try the trickiest column 3. Column 3, I'm going to go again with this method of a guide number. So we're going to get minus 48. And we're going to think about 48. Numbers that multiply to give 48. It's going to get us to minus 13. For 48, we could have 12 and 4. We could have 16 and 3. 16 and 3 looks like I can get minus 13. So 16, so minus 16 and add 3. So off we go. We've got 12a squared. And I'm going to go with minus 16a plus 3a minus 4. So I've split the middle. So linear factorisation of this bit. 12 and 16, 4 goes into them both, so does a. That's 3a minus 4. And that's going to be repeated. Oh, but we've already got 3a plus 4. So what do I times 3a by to get 3a? Well, it's merely plus 1. So my final answer is 4a plus 1 by using these two parts, and 3a minus 4. And I've saved the mean one for the end here. This is a square. If you square root 9, you get 3. If you square root a to the power 4, you get a squared. So, and the square root of 49 is 7, so 3a squared adds 7, 3a squared minus 7. You'll find this one a lot at the high end of GCSE and also A level.